In valleys, deep where shadows dance and sunlight weaves its golden trance, there lies a realm untouched by time, where nature's wonders brightly shining beneath the canopy of emerald green, where murmuring brooks serenely stream, the whispered secrets of the trees are carried on the gentle breeze. In fields of flowers, a tapestry bright painted by the hand of dawn's soft light, each petal a brushstroke of grace. In this sacred, enchanted space, mountains rise with silent pride, their rugged peaks reaching high, guardians of the earth below, where rivers of crystal waters flow, the symphony of wildlife's song echoes through the forest long, from the mighty lion's roar to the nightingale's sweet encore. O Fazza, prince of noble heart, in nature's embrace find your part, for in her beauty, pure and true, lies the essence of life renewed. Let every sunset, every dawn inspire within your soul a song of gratitude for all that's given in this vast, magnificent heaven. So roam the wilds with spirit free, and let the beauty of nature be a source of solace, strength and love, the gift bestowed from the realms above. In the heart of dawn's tender embrace, where sunbeams dance on tranquil lakes, there lies a realm untouched by time, where nature weaves its pure sublime in Fazza's land, where deserts sing and mountains rise with regal wing, their blooms a beauty wild and free, a symphony of eternity. Beneath the azure Arabian skies, where falcons soar and eagles rise, the sands whisper ancient lore of tales untold and dreams that soar. Oh, how the dunes in golden hue reflect the skies celestial blue, each grain a gem, each ripple a rhyme in nature's grand and wondrous mind. Through valleys green and palm-lined, lanes where jasmine scents the gentle plains, the rivers flow with crystal song, a serenade that's pure and strong. In Fazza's gaze, the earth's embrace is captured in its primal grace each petal, leaf, and blade of grass, a testament to life's surpass. With every breath, the world's renewed in Fazza's realm, where dreams imbued with beauty's touch, both pure and rare, a tapestry beyond compare. So let us wander hand in hand and find in nature's tender art the beauty that enchants the heart.